Hello everyone, my name is Gnanaraju. I'm representing Herbalife Nutrition and working for last 17 years as independent associate. Now I'm into this prestigious level called 20K Senior Executive President Team Member. So I'm very happy to give you this presentation on clarifying a lot of doubts on FAQ, frequently asked question, and how long should I use this Herbalife product. Can I stop it after some time? Maybe after use it for 3 months or 6 months, or shall I use it permanently? So let me clarify about this. This program, if you want to lose about 10 kilos, maybe 10 weeks, or 20 kilos, maybe 20 weeks. Afterwards, you have to maintain under maintenance for some period, maybe 3 months or 6 months. This is like to maintain yourself. There is no compulsory, no hard fast and principle like compulsory you have to use it permanently. There is nothing like that. There is nothing like addicted. But this by choice, you feel like taking it, you can take it. If you understand, problem is not Herbalife, problem is our lifestyle. Our lifestyle is full of sedentary lifestyle. If you see, most of the time we sit down, and not many calories will burn, not we don't sweat. And in olden days, people do a lot of sweating, they do a lot of manual labor, manual hard work, and they eat. But we continue to eat the same food like our ancestors ate, but we are not continue to eat the do the same kind of hard work. And if you see, our food quality is coming drastically down. And our busy lifestyle is like this. So unfortunately, the food also, the what we eat, most of the time this food is also devoid of nutrients because of improper growing methods, improper storing methods, improper cooking methods. So this our food is devoid of nutrition, particularly in terms of vitamins and minerals and proteins. Up to 73% of B complex vitamins are missing in, as per IDA, Indian Dietetic Association List of Nutrition, what is said in the as per the ZTV, right, report. And particularly some micronutrients like zinc, up to 43% levels are depleted in soil, in our present soil. So that's when the food what we eat is not so much of healthy, no more, it's not so much healthy. So that's the reason why we eat, most of the time we eat a lot of sugar, salt, simple carbohydrates, artificial colors, preservatives, alcohol, tobacco, fats, chemical, pesticides, pollution, hormones. But our food is mostly deficient of proteins and vegetable protein, micronutrients, fiber, amino acids, and water. So that's the reason why this nutrition, and most of the time, as per NSSO, means National Sample Survey Organization, India is called as Bimari Bharat, so sickness capital of the world. So every hospitals are people are full of patients. Hospitals are full of patients. Prevention is always better than cure, you know it. But many people don't realize the value of nutrition with the food. Many people think they don't know the difference between food and nutrition. What we eat for our body is nutrition. What we eat for our tongue is food. So we eat whether body requires or not, just like kurkure, chapati, idli, dosa, noodles, all that. So comes under food, but all the food is not nutrition, but all the nutrition is the food compulsory, right? So the Herbalife nutrition is also nutrition. It's not only food, but also nutrition. Whereas chips, kurkure, sometimes noodles, gulab jam, sweets, most of the time they are comes under food, but they need not be useful for the body. So that's the reason why these Herbalife products may use for some period, for up to 5 months or 6 months or 1 year. Afterwards, you can stop also. But why to stop when there is enough nutrition? Most of the time, it's a nutrition. It's not by force, but it's by choice. I take it for my choice. For last 17 years, I've been using this. And if you understand the value of the nutrition, when diet is wrong, medicine is of no use. When diet is correct, medicine is of no need. This is what Ayurvedic proverb says. When diet is the main thing, when proper diet is there, you can save a lot of medical bills. You don't fall to sick. You don't become hospitalized. I'm not telling you will not become, but it is one of the important parameter. Like Hippocrates, father of medicine, says, "Let thy food be thy medicine, not medicine thy food." Meaning, food should be your medicine. Meaning, you should eat food as like a medicine. And if you understand this, our plate is supposed to be like this: 7 colors of fresh fruits and vegetables, and chicken liver, fish, eggs, and milk, and lot of things every day, as per the food pyramid. But unfortunately, we don't eat it. And this is what Dr. Linus Pauling, he was awarded Nobel Prize twice. He says nearly all diseases can be traced to a nutrition deficiency. Most of the time, our food is not having so many, enough required nutrition. So that's the reason why we require balanced diet that will actually help you to support immune health. Immunity, you will get it through balanced diet, right? So Herbalife nutrition is fully of balanced nutrition. As you can see this, our food is not. So that's the reason why we ensure this balanced nutrition, plus we also ensure personalized program according to your budget, according to your choices, and we also design according to your lifestyle, like healthy active lifestyle. Most of the people are three types. One is wellness health, under wellness health, second is sickness health, third is survival health, neither sick nor well. So most of the people under survival health. So why not we prevent, complicated diseases by eating proper diet and taking good lifestyle. So with a Herbalife Nutrition, taking support of Herbalife Nutrition, you can actually save a lot of expenditure on the hospital, like medical bills. It is going to be $18 trillion since by 2040. And if you eat rice, what will happen, you get you enjoy, you definitely you keep on eating rice, or carbohydrates, simple carbohydrates, white rice, or noodles and pasta, all those things, you end up in hospitals, it. Okay. Whereas if you eat these shakes, you will overcome them. No, you are actually trying to prevent a lot of complicated diseases. So, and if you become part of our wellness club, if rice will not give, rice shop owner will not give you better discount. You will not reduce the price. Whereas here, Herbalife product, you will get it free or very less price. So that means you are eating at a very less price, or you are getting product free. Sometimes you are actually, company gives you reverse money if you doing the business as a part-time or full-time, refer more people. So there's a reason why I am getting product free of cost. I'm into this field for last 17 years. So you see my story. I'm 50 years now. My wife is 42 years. I have grown up children for, studying degree final year. So you can see this, we are transformed so much. And you, not only me, but also we help a lot of clients losing weight and maintaining weight, and they also get the fantastic results on wellness. So this is about me. I'm into this business for last 17 years. I'm a certified nutrition fitness consultant, certified sports nutrition consultant, certified exercise science specialist, marathon runner, cyclist. And to meet us, these are the Instagram, Facebook, website, and YouTube channels. So try to meet us and try to talk to the person who has given you this video. And if it is us, so please be in touch with us. And I hope you really enjoyed the presentation. Many people, they get confused. So that's the reason why I made this video for you. So if you like this video, please share to many people so that they'll also get good advantage of this. So wish you all the best. God bless you. Thank you so much. Thank you for your valuable time.